How to wear your hair in a ponytail with no one knowing that you have extensions. I have 2 rows of 10 wefts of IBE and 22-inch extensions. I just wanted to show you exactly where my hair extensions are placed close around my face. You can see my top row here and my bottom row here. The first thing that I'm gonna do is brush my hair with my Shop IBE brush. I'm gonna make sure I start at the bottom, hold my hair extensions up at my root. Just wanna make sure that you're getting all the tangles out. Now, I've parted my hair like a temporary comb over so I can show you a really cool hack if you have low density right here between the top of your ear and underneath your bottom row. Take a brush like this, it's a teasing brush, and gently tease a small little pad of section right here towards your root. This is gonna provide a little bit of a cushion so that way you're able to hide that row really well if you have low density hair. What I do to make sure that I get a really nice high ponytail is ensure that these wefts are going straight up and down. You never wanna take your wefts and pull them all the way back to the center of your head because that's gonna pull on your corners. So the best way to get your hair up is to make sure that you're flipping it directly up. I've pulled all of my hair up so I can make sure that it's a very comfortable position for my rows. Again, if I was gonna try to bring this ponytail to my occipital bone back here in the middle, it would pull a lot on my corners. Flipping it up this way in the way that the row wants to go is going to make sure that this is very comfortable for me. Continue to brush your hair all the way through and making sure that you're holding all of your hair at one time. You want to take an elastic like this to give you some support before you use a typical scrunchie. So we're just going to make sure that we're keeping nice tension and bringing it all the way up. And there you go with a high ponytail with invisible bead extensions and no one will know. Now, I want to share something else with you. This is a game changer for slick back ponies. This is a Goldilocks flyaway fix, and you can see how I have a little bit of baby hairs around my face. Just gonna take this flyaway fix, take a boar bristle brush like this that you use for teasing and use it to smooth the hair around your hairline after you use the flyaway fix. Another little trick, because I have some layers here, sometimes I need to use this flyaway fix right up here. Doing that makes sure that I don't have any sprouts. Now, once you have your elastic nice and secure, you can get a little decorative with a scrunchie. We love our Shop IBE scrunchies, but I wouldn't use this as a standalone. I would make sure that I had a thin elastic band that has some support to it to hold my ponytail. Voila.